Think cleaning your bedroom takes forever? Watch a professional cleaner transform this disaster in record time. The speed and efficiency will blow your mind. This bedroom is a complete mess, clothes everywhere, dusty surfaces, unmade bed, and clutter all over. Most people would spend 2 to 3 hours tackling this chaos. Let's see how fast a pro can do it. Watch this. The professional follows a systematic top-to-bottom approach, dusting high surfaces first, making the bed with perfect corners, organizing clutter efficiently, vacuuming strategically. Every movement is calculated, no wasted motion. Done in just 25 minutes. Same bedroom, completely transformed. The secret? Professional techniques, the right tools, and years of experience make all the difference. Want your entire home cleaned with this level of speed and expertise? Bear Brothers Cleaning Professionals can handle any room with incredible efficiency. Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today at 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com.